Hi everyone!
Hi!
We'd like to present our work on a Spanish recipe.
This is a typical dish in Spain. It's called gazpacho.
Firstly, you need 15 minutes to prepare it, and it's for 6 people.
Secondly, here are the ingredients. 1 kilogram of tomatoes, 1 green pepper, 1 cucumber, 1 onion, 50 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil, 50 grams of stale lot bread, 250 milliliters of water, 30 milliliters of vinegar, 5 grams of salt.
Thirdly, you also need 1 mortar, 1 mixer, 1 knife, and a container.
Finally, the elaboration is as follows. 1. Wash the tomatoes and the pepper.
2. Crush them with the skin in the mortar.
3. Cut the cucumber into thin slices.
4. Chop the onion.
5. Pour the tomatoes, the pepper, the cucumber, the bread, and the onions into a mix with the water.
6. Add the salt and the vinegar.
7. Mix everything for several minutes until obtaining a thin cream.
8. Serve in a glass and drizzle with oil to taste.
Enjoy!
Thank you very much.